Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Chanel. You won't see me, but I'll be going over what I am cooking today. So today I will be cooking, I just call it a bowl. And the bowl will consist of, it's similar to, I would say Chipotle, but better. The rice bowls, because it will contain rice. And if you have not tried Zanaran's cilantro rice, lime rice, you are missing a treat. I tried other brands, but this one is my favorite. So you will need, depending on how many you're feeding, you will need more than 2 boxes. For example, I normally use 1 box when I'm just cooking a meal for tonight for myself and my husband. But today I'm using 2 boxes so that my husband can take lunch tomorrow, as well as take my bonus son for something for his lunch. So because I'm cooking, I would say 4 servings. I have 2 boxes of Zanaran's, 2 of Zanaran's rice, 2 packages of Taco Bell taco seasoning. I love Taco Bell's taco seasoning. I do not care for any of the others. I've tried them, I don't like them. This is optional. I'm using mushrooms as well as zucchini. You don't have to have these 2, but I like to use zucchini and mushrooms. It does call for chickpeas. You can use chickpeas or either black beans, your choice. I love chickpeas in mine. And your choice of meat, it can be ground turkey, ground beef, ground chicken, whatever you choose. I'm choosing a combination of all 3 today because I'm cooking enough meat for our tacos for tomorrow. So whatever meat we don't use tonight for the bowls will be used for our tacos tomorrow, okay? So whatever meat you choose, normally a pound of meat will be enough for 2 bowls. So 1/2 pound of meat per bowl. And then for the sauce, and I call it my sriracha lime sauce. I use sriracha, sour cream, and the juice of 1 lime. But today I'll be using 2, maybe all 3, depending on how much sauce I'll be making. So here we are. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm preheating my stove. Still getting used to using a gas stove. So there's my skillet. Now I'm going to add a little oil because chicken and turkey doesn't have a lot of oil. Then I'm going to use, where's my meat smasher? Also, I'll be using these seasonings. Now, you can just use the packet of taco seasoning if you want. I love to add a lot of other things. Your choice. So here's first, I'm going to add my chicken. See? Yeah. Turn it over. Ooh. Check. Okay, now I've added my turkey meat. One of the reasons why I'm using 3 different types of meat is because I picked up some turkey meat from Sam's and I didn't like the consistency of it. Now I like turkey meat when it's kind of ground or prepared the way that they normally do ground beef. But this was minced up a little bit too much to my liking. So I've added my turkey meat and I will continue to break it up. Okay, now my turkey meat has been broken up. And on top of that, I'm adding ground beef. I know, don't judge. This is my first time actually doing it this way. So let's see how it tastes. I normally, like last week when I made it, not last week, a couple weeks ago, I made this my rice bowl and I only used turkey. I'm sorry, chicken. And it was delicioso. So just grinding this all up. And we'll be back when it browns. Okay, now while I'm browning my meat, I will start on my rice. Cook your rice according to your package. If you're cooking 2 packages, double the water as well as all the butter that is being asked to add. So make sure you do that. Okay, so I've already added 4.5 cups of butter. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, along with the contents of both packs of rice. Here comes my man. I can hear him. Hey, babe. Now you want to let this boil for about 20 minutes. Now for the chickpeas, add them to a boiler, pour off the liquid that is in the can and rinse them off. And then add chicken stock, pat of butter, and some Knorr for seasoning, and you'll be good. Sprinkle your seasoning, not a lot. And it's just Knorr chicken flavor. Okay, took about 10 minutes to cook all my meat down to this golden brown color. Now, because I cook mostly with turkey and chicken, there is not a lot of oil, right? There's a lot of water. So what I'm going to do is not pour that off. I'm going to keep it there. Okay, keep all the good juices. Now I'm going to pour my 2 packs of taco seasoning on top. Get all of that out. Work it in. And on deck, I'm going to have like a cup of water to add to it. And if you don't want to add additional seasoning to your meat, just add another pack of seasoning, taco seasoning. But for me in my house, we're going to use garlic powder, I found this garlic and herb seasoning. I love it. And you season it according to your wants. And this is paprika. I'm going to use all of it. Wasn't that much left. I'm just going to use it all. Paprika and cumin. Oh, if y'all have not tried cumin on your beef or chicken, ground chicken, I don't know. You don't know what you're missing. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit on this. Turn the heat down. Chili powder too. Yes, chili powder tastes good on ground beef, ground chicken, and this is cayenne pepper because I like it spicy. And you season according to your ancestors, baby. Don't tell me about what I do. Because I'm from the South. Not the South. South. We season things differently. Now I'm going to get this cup of water. Okay. I'm just going to pour that in. A little bit at a time. Okay. I haven't put any of the Knorr in it. It's something about Knorr that just, I don't know, gives it that final taste I'm looking for. Okay. I'm also going to add some more chili. And this is just a great value chili powder. I'm going to add some more Knorr. Not some more, some Knorr. I'm just using about that much. Knorr is kind of salty, so be careful with it if you choose to use it. Okay? Turn this all the way down. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more ground pepper because I taste it. Not as spicy as I want. And I'm also going to add some black pepper. And a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. And that's it. As you can see, this is not, the meat is not dried out. It is juicy. I could actually add just a little pinch more water. So, my meat is done. And you want to saute your vegetables for about 5 minutes because you don't want them to be overcooked. You still want them to have a crunch to them, not soggy. So you know when you know. 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's time for the sriracha lime sauce. So you want to get some sour cream and pour or squeeze in about a half a cup. I'm eyeballing it. And then you want to take your sriracha and you put as much as you think you like. I like it kind of spicy. And then I take my previously squeezed lime. And also I place it in the microwave to get the ultimate juice. I'm going to take my squeezer. Oh, that was slick. Fell on the floor. So I'm going to have to use another one. One juice, one lime. So these are good and juicy. So I won't have to use but 2. Sometimes limes can be so dry. You have to be careful when you pick them. Oh yeah, these are good and juicy. Okay, everything is ready. So now we're gonna serve up the bowls. Look at that rice. This is my husband's. This is mine. Oops. Spilt a little. Bit more. Okay. Look how the rice turned out. Perfect. You can see each grain. Okay. So after you put your rice down, now you want to put in your beef or your meat. Mine is a combination of chicken, turkey, and beef. I cook this meat in a cast iron skillet, and you know I can't carry it over here and hold it like this. So it's very heavy. It is a real cast iron. Put down your meat. Put the rest on his. Okay. Now the vegetables, as you can see, cook them down since they were soft. Some of mine. And here are the yummy chickpeas. I love chickpeas. They make the bowl everything. Chickpeas. Next and final is the sauce. Bon appetit, everyone.